this transformation already caught your eye? Keep watching. We'll show you every step, from the Pinnacle tint installation to the final ceramic coating finish. Before tinting, we tape every door frame. It keeps the area clean and prevents scratches while we install the film. Now that everything is protected, we move to the next step. We cut the film on our plotter using our core software, giving us precise patterns for a perfect fit on every window. It's all about keeping the process clean and consistent. Shrink the film on the glass so it follows the exact shape of the window and prevents bubbles or creases. It's a small step, but it makes a huge difference in the final look. Before cleaning the glass, we cover the door panel with a towel or plastic. It keeps the interior safe from water and lets us work without worrying about any mess. Cleaning the glass the right way with the proper tools is a huge part of a clean installation. If the surface isn't perfect, the tint won't be perfect, so we take our time here. Another great tool for window tint is our peeling board. It allows us to handle the film the right way and keep everything clean and controlled before installation. With pre-cut patterns, we can control the film much more easily. It helps us minimize gaps and achieve sharp, accurate corners every time. Into our detail area to start preparing the Velar for ceramic coating. We first wet the entire vehicle so we can safely apply IronX by CarPro. This product breaks down iron contamination in the paint, mainly from brake dust, and the best part is, you can actually see it working as those particles turn purple right on the surface. That color change tells us the contamination is being removed safely without harming the paint. Once the IronX has finished reacting, we move to the next step. We spray a neutral pH soap over the entire vehicle to continue the chemical decontamination process. This helps safely remove the IronX, along with a large amount of remaining particles that could affect the paint if they stayed on the surface. While the foam is breaking down the dirt on the paint, we focus on the wheels. We clean the face of the rims and the barrel to remove brake dust and heavy buildup. Now, we begin the contact paint cleaning stage. We start with a clay mitt treatment to safely remove the most stubborn contamination and bonded road debris from the surface. To make the surface even safer, we follow with a clay bar. It pulls out the tiny particles you can't see, but that could create scratches later on, setting the paint up for a clean, precise correction. We finish by brushing the tight areas with a soft brush to remove any remaining trapped dirt. With soft pressure water, we gently rinse away all the foam and the IronX residue. To finish the decontamination process, we dry the entire vehicle using an air blower. This reduces contact with the paint even more and keeps the surface perfectly safe. Now we move into the paint correction stage. To achieve a true correction, we use a two-step process. The first step is heavy cutting, using a Rupes dual-action polisher with an heavy cutting pad and cutting compound. This step removes the majority of scratches, swirl marks, and surface defects. It's also the most complex part of the process, because you need the right technique and experience to avoid damaging the paint with issues like burn marks or overheating. The second stage is all about refinement. Here, we switch to a finishing pad and a finishing compound, using the same Rupes dual-action polisher. This step removes any light haze left from cutting and brings out that deep, glossy shine. This is where the paint truly transforms and gets that clean, showroom-level finish. Now we move into the final step, ceramic coating. This is how we seal in all the paint correction work and lock in the results. Ceramic coating adds an extra layer of gloss and long-term protection over the paint. For this Velar, the customer chose our Level 2 ceramic coating package. That means 2 full layers of coating on the entire vehicle, including the face of the wheels and the windshield. We apply C-Quartz Professional by CarPro, one of the most advanced ceramic coatings on the market. It provides strong UV protection, a hydrophobic surface that repels water, and defense against environmental hazards. This is what keeps the paint looking glossy and protected for years. This advanced ceramic coating is only available through certified shops. At Xtreme, our Level 2 package includes a 6-year warranty for complete peace of mind. From the precision of the window tint to the final layers of ceramic coating, every detail was handled with purpose. This is not just about shine. It's about protecting your investment from the sun, from contamination, and from the wear of everyday driving. If you're looking for real protection, real results, and a finish that lasts for years, this is what we do every single day. Thank you for watching this transformation, and when you're ready to protect your vehicle the right way, we'll be here for you at Xtreme.